Hello friends, my name is Praveen Anchal and I welcome you all in our YouTube channel of Core Academy.
Today we will discuss about Economics class 9th lesson 1, the story of village Palampur. Now first of all we will start with the name of the chapter, that is the story of village Palampur. So here the village Palampur is not the real village but it is an imaginary village. Although it is an imaginary village, but the examples and the stories and the presentation, everything is very close to the real life. So this chapter we have divided into 4 parts. In part number 1 we will discuss about the basic introduction about the village Palampur. In part 2 we will discuss about the factors of production, under which I will tell you about the land, labor, physical capital and human capital. These are the things, basic things which is required for the production process. You can either produce goods or services. Then in part number 3 I will tell you about the activities, like this chapter we have basically 2 activities which is given. The first one is called farming activity and the second one is called as non-farming activity. So in part number 3 I will tell you about the farming activity, and in the part number 4 I will tell you about the non-farming activity. So let's start. So here we are starting with this particular part number 1, where I will tell you about the basic introduction about this village Palampur. So first of all, the first point is this village Palampur is an imaginary village. But as I told you before also, the entire case studies and these stories will be very close to real life story. This village Palampur is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. For example, it is just 3 kilometers away from the Raiganj, which is big village, and further if you will go, you will go to Shahpur, which is a small town. And this particular Raiganj and Shahpur is connected to Palampur through all weathered road. Remember, road is also of two types, that is one road is called as Kacha road and one road is called as Pakka road. So this is Pakka road, all weather road is called as Pakka road. Now if you talk about the transport, so here all basic transports are available, whether it is bullock carts or the motorcycles or the jeep or the tractors or the trucks. These basic transport facilities are available here. If you talk about the electricity availability, so here most of the houses have electric connections and they also use electricity for irrigation purpose through tube wells. Now if you talk about the schools, so here we have 2 primary schools and 1 high school. And if you talk about the hospital, so we have primary health center and we have private dispensary where people are going for their treatment. So if you see this Palampur village from very close angle, so here all basic facilities, whether it is connectivity or transport or electricity, irrigation, school, hospital, everything is available. So we can say Palampur is fairly well developed village. Now at last I will tell you about the families who are living in this village Palampur. So here total 450 families are living, out of which 80 families belong to upper caste who are very rich, and 1/3 of this total family belongs to SC, that is scheduled caste, and maximum of them are poor. So friends, what is the purpose of this chapter? So here, after reading and understanding this chapter, you will come to know the lifestyle of people who are living in villages. What type of production they are doing, what type of goods and services they are making, what are the basic requirement of the production or the factors of production. Like in this chapter we will come to know about the factors of production such as land, labor, physical capital and human capital. And then I will also tell you about how many activities they are involved in. Like here basically the people in villages are working in 2 particular activities. One is farming activities and the second one is non-farming activities. So about this everything we'll discuss in detail in upcoming videos. So friends, that's it in this part. We'll discuss about factors of production in the part number 2. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.